So, we're in a slightly different setting today, and specifically, we're visiting our apprentices in the apprentice workshop. Today we will be discussing how to coordinate lasers and touch probes. I will now demonstrate how this works. Let's get started. Today we are visiting our trainees in the apprentice workshop for a new episode of Measurement Minutes. And as already mentioned, it's all about aligning the laser and the probe in perfect sync with each other. Everything we need for this task is right here. This aluminium block for over milling the surface, and in our case, a 10mm shank cutter that can do the job perfectly. In the machine, we've got a reference tool to calibrate our laser, but we'll cover that in more detail now. The reference tool and the cutter are already in the magazine. Now all we need is our aluminum block, which we are going to clamp in now. For this, we simply take two supports here, place the block on top, and securely clamp the entire setup in place. We of course remove the supports again. All right, let's get started. The first step is to calibrate the laser. Now that our laser has been calibrated, we measure our shank cutter in our laser. In the next step, we take our freshly measured end mill, scratch our aluminium block, adjust it slightly, and then mill a surface of the aluminium block. After milling our surface on the aluminium block, it is now important that we set our 0 point on the control system on this Z surface. Now we have coordinated our laser and our touch probe. And here's a little recommendation from me. While you're at it, take an adjustment ring and calibrate your touch probe in X and Y as well. If you have any questions about how to calibrate your laser or how to calibrate your probe, please refer to the video description or simply visit our channel. You can also find videos about it there. If you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel of Blum-Novotest. Feel free to share your thoughts and opinions in the comments below, and we'll catch up again next time. Until then, stay process safe.